Hey friends, if you want to know how you can fix where Valorant is not launching, starting, or opening on your Windows, simply watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So let's go quick into the process. Right click on the taskbar and then select Task Manager. Now here in the Task Manager window, you need to look for Valorant or Riot Client. Then if you find that, just make a right click and then select End Task. Also for the right client, right click and then select End Task. Also for the details on the left pane, you need to look for anything related to Riot Valorant or Riot client. Now, if you find that, just simply what you'll have to do is make a right click and then select End Process Tree. End Process Tree. Once that is done, close the Task Manager window. And what you'll have to do is you need to search for services in the Windows search bar. Click on this under the best match. Then you need to look for a service named VGC. So scroll down to letter V as these are arranged in alphabetical order. This one, the VGC. Right click, select properties. Startup type, make sure this is automatic. If this is already running, click on stop. And then start it again. Once done, click on apply and then OK. And then close this window. The next is we need to look for our Valorant desktop icon. Right click, select properties or no, show more options. Show more options first and then click on properties. In here you have the general shortcut compatibility and digital signatures. Click on the compatibility tab. Make sure disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator is checked. And click on apply and then OK. Once that is done, just simply search for device manager in the Windows search bar. Click on this. Then here in the device manager window, look for your display adapters. And then you have here graphics card driver. So you might have a different graphics card driver like NVIDIA. So I have Intel. But anyways, the process is just the same. Right click, select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Click on close. And then before we are going to make a restart of our Windows, we need to make sure first that our Windows is updated. So click on Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane, click on Windows Update. Now here, you can click on Check for Updates, Download and Install Updates, or if it asks you to restart now, then you have to click on that. Then finally, make a restart of your Windows, shutdown or sign out, and then restart. So by following all of the methods, any of the methods will fix your issue. I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.